In autumn and winter, the amount of fallen leaves in many areas increases suddenly. The cleaning, collection and transportation of leaves in the annual deciduous season has brought a heavy burden to the environmental sanitation operators. In the past, the traditional leaf collection mode will consume a lot of manpower and material resources. And the emergence of professional leaf collection vehicle has filled the gap in this field. This multifunctional leaf collection vehicle has perfect functions of leaf cleaning, collection, crushing, filtering, compression and transportation. There are two collection modes, bottom suction cup and handheld straw, which can meet different use needs. At the same time, the vehicle is also equipped with a high-pressure flushing system, which can be competent for road cleaning in the non-deciduous season.